Welcome to our video on process mapping in Lean methodology. Today, we'll explore how this powerful tool can help streamline your operations, reduce waste, and enhance productivity. So, let's dive in. Process mapping is a visual representation of a process. It lays out every step from start to finish, offering a clear overview of how work moves through your organization. But why is process mapping important in Lean? The Lean methodology is all about maximizing value by minimizing waste. Process mapping helps identify inefficiencies, pinpoint areas for improvement, and detect bottlenecks. To start mapping a process, gather your team. You need input from people involved at every stage, as they have insights and first-hand knowledge. Begin by defining the process you want to map. Clearly state where it starts and ends. Next, list all the steps involved. Use simple shapes to represent different types of actions. For example, rectangles for tasks, diamonds for decision points, and ovals for start or end points. Connect these shapes with arrows to show the flow of the process. As you create the map, examine each step closely. Ask questions like, is this step necessary? Does it add value? And is there a better way to do this? This scrutiny helps uncover waste such as unnecessary motions, defects, or waiting times. Then, brainstorm solutions to eliminate this waste. Remember, process mapping is not a one-time activity. It should be an ongoing project to reflect changes and continuous improvements. Update your maps to align with new processes, technologies, or strategies. Remember, there are different techniques for laying out the process: value stream mapping, VSM, flowcharts, and swim lane diagrams. Try not to mix these techniques. VSM provides a big picture of the whole process at the macro level, showing all the processes involved in the production line. Flowcharts are a simple presentation of a sequence of activities involved in one process. Lastly, swim lane diagrams visualize the roles and responsibilities across different departments. We will explore all these techniques in upcoming videos. On behalf of Infinalean team, thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more insights on Lean methodology. See you on the flip side.